Sometimes the road tells you to stop, not because you're lost, but because it's no time to move yet. What are you watching? The rain?
Just a bit.
At first glance, it looks empty, but this landscape is anything but. Welcome back to AS Nomads. We are in Western Australia's Wheatbelt, a land that looks quiet, but holds a very long memory. WA, windy always, super windy, so I won't talk much today, but I have to show you something. So we are here at one of the many pink lakes. These are salt lakes, formed over thousands of years. Flat, blindingly wide, and constantly changing. There are not the largest salt lakes in the world, but here they feel endless. Water arrives, the sun takes it away, salt stays behind. After rain, they come alive. Shallow water, hidden life, birds that know exactly when to return. This landscape was not empty before roads. First Nations people lived with this country, moved with seasons, read the land, understood the water, long before maps and long before fences. Super windy and millions of flies. I can hardly talk. This one is still a very windy place, and this is Salt Lake Lookout. That's what it's called. We back in with the caravan because there's no one here, but this is a day use area. You can't stay here overnight. Buddy, you stay in. We just take some pictures. So this is a huge lake. A little bit salty, but it is not salt. This is just quartz, I would say, not salt. Kangaroos live here too, apparently. There you go. Kangaroo to me. That's interesting. Oh yeah, that. There you go. These flies, I'll tell you.
Tell me. That flies are insane. It's like you open up the windows and they're eating you. Look at this. Yeah.
Alright, next up is Gem's Pitch.
Gem limpets.
Gem's Pitch, I guess. Alright guys, we are here at Lake Grace,
North Lake Grace.
Lake Grace area in Western Australia in the Wheatbelt. We are well and truly on our way, on our way to Esperance and then to the Nullarbor, to cross the Nullarbor towards Adelaide.
But
and this one?
First we're exploring a little bit this area.
And this one is a big sign at the entrance to the area. We wave here at Lake Grace, and that's what they mean. Waving the flies away.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
But yeah.
The problem is we had some rain before.
I think we are in WA, and WA and flies
Yeah.
they just belong together.
Yep, everything.
So.
Alrighty.
Okay. Ready
Start
to take
the
off?
engine. So I think we got 3.5 kilometers to our destination.
To our
Overnighter.
overnighter? Okay, cool.
Yep.
Free camp, eh?
Free camp.
Hang on, I have to
4.3
fast
stars.
my seatbelt. Hang on, you're too fast. Okay, cool. Ready to go.
Oh, look at it.
Wave Rock, 83 kilometers. There you go.
We're not far away.
There you go.
Not this time.
Not this time. We have been to Wave Rock. That's okay. By the end of the day, we find our camp, Gem Pitch, a quiet bush camp near the Salt Lakes. Walking trails, picnic spots, and the space to be completely on your own. This is perfect for self-contained travelers, and you get treated with stunning night skies. We found our spot at Gem Pitch. Gem Pitch RV rest area. Free spot, a few walks at a dry lake. Yeah, walking tracks. And a dry lake. And lots of flies again.
And dog friendly.
And dog friendly, absolutely. So there's the lake. And the trek once around the lake is about 45 minutes. How much? 1.5 kilometers?
1.5 kilometers.
Yep. That is the blue track. That is the blue track, and then we have the red track, the green track. Yeah. They are a bit longer. And windy, still windy. So yeah. Windy always. Always when you think you can record, the wind is picking up. So, yeah. tonight, you know that, yeah? 8 degrees. Just saying.
We got a heater.
We got a heater. As soon as the sun sets down, it's going to be cold. Like cold.
Okay. No, this isn't the good one. It's not this one.
It took us 30 minutes to go once around the lake, like the blue circuit. And they're saying it's 45 minutes, so...
Roughly.
Yep. You're now doing it under the other one. We have to go back that way to go back to the caravan.
Yeah,
So this is the other one.
That's the red one.
Yeah, do you want that one as well?
Yeah, we go on the red one.
Oh my goodness. Wow. He's on a mission after all the day in the caravan, in the car. It's beautiful now.
Yeah.
Nice and quiet. And only 80 kilometers or so to Wave Rock, Hayden. Right?
Hayden?
Yeah. We didn't realize
Hayden,
it's so
how you
close.
pronounce it?
Hayden.
Hayden?
We
Yeah,
didn't.
From Wave Rock.
We didn't realize it's so close to Wave Rock actually.
Yeah, 80 kilometers from here.
Bruce Rock is not far away either.
But
There are a few rocks here in the area anyway.
But we've been there. And there's more salt flats at Hayden.
Hayden, yeah, Wave Rock. Well, the whole area, remember when we came from Leverton, Kalgoorlie to Wave Rock, we saw all the salt lakes as well. And there is even a pool in Hayden filled with salt water where you can swim, have a bath. But it was too cold when we were there.
Oh yeah.
Not our temperature to go into water, in nature at least. Next stop, Pingrup. The silos stand tall, but the wind has other plans. The gusts are strong, stronger than expected. And just like that, my little drone is gone. Carried by the wind, dropped more than 200 meters away. We find it again, only because it's still talking to my phone. So Simon sends his drone up instead, and the landscape finally opens. Pingrup Silos, standing firm against the winds. And just beyond them, the color returns. Pink salt lakes, painted by minerals, salt, and life that thrives in extremes. This is the Wheatbelt. Wind, art, and moments that remind us to slow down and respect the conditions.